Hey guys, I have a question for you and we'll see if you can answer it. What is something that every age group and skin type can benefit from? It's SPF, just letting you know. SPF is great because it protects you from the sun, which the sun, it damages the living DNA on the surface of the skin, can disrupt your acid mantle, cause creping, sagging, hyperpigmentation. A lot of the negatives that you see or the skin goals that you want to work on come from the damage that the sun causes. So in order to protect yourself and prevent, wear SPF. DMK SPFs are my favorite because they're packed full of antioxidants and amino acids. The best part about them is that they leave just a really thin layer on your skin, absolutely no white cast. These are my favorite because they're just so full of nutrients and because they're so well understood by the skin with that transdermal delivery system that goes into them. If you need any recommendations on skincare products or services, feel free to message us here at the studio. We would love to help you out and get you in. Thanks guys, have a great day.